Hello, welcome to Blissful Spaces. I have a quick little video. I have a couple of potatoes that I harvested, I think like last month, and I placed them in my basket. And when I was going through them, I noticed that a couple of them have spuds on them. So guess what I'm gonna do? I'm in the garden and I am going to replant. Look at those Asian greens. But I'm going to go ahead and replant them in the ground. And I have one, when I was digging in the same area that I planted them, I noticed that I had left one potato in the ground, and looks like it's got some little buds on it. So I'll just let that stay in the ground. Here is a potato with the potato bud, and I'm just going to place it in the ground. That part sticking up. There's another one. And another one. This one's kind of hard because you got them all over. There's another one. Oops, just broke it off. And then here's another one that just kind of sprouted. I'm just gonna plant them. Maybe I'll put this one over here. Okay, and I'm just gonna like cover them. Try to leave the spuds sticking out. And you know you have good dirt when you see worms. All right, wormy, I'll let you go back to your home. I gotta try to remember too not to step in this area. This is kind of my walkway. Probably the worst place to replant those, but let's see what happens when you replant it. Alright, so I probably didn't do the best, but there it is. Alright, so let's see if those regrow. That's what I did with my other ones. I didn't buy potato plantings. I just planted my store-bought, and they did produce. Here's one that has a bud that's let's plant this one too. Alright. Boy, I remember not to step on them. I'm gonna have to put a little brick here. Me and my little bricks, reminding me not to step in the area, so it's just kind of hard to do. All right, so did I do that right? All right, we will keep watching and we'll see if it grows. And here's a little sprout from the one that I left in the ground. It re-sprouted, so. All right, happy gardening. How does your garden grow?